It's not about Madole.
14 boys ought to not allow
14 boys.
That's go for revenge. And we heard that the man.
That
and we tear them.
14 boys. What did the 14 boys do? What did they do?
From door to hill wine. Ababu Shahan. When we had the mother about cheap boy in a 1 day.
Ndigra traditional marriage. Kande Bubago Baburu.
Happening now at Amiri, where 18 boys were killed by Bubago. 18 boys were killed by Bubago. Happening at our Amiri, where 18 boys that went for wedding yesterday were captured by Bago people and were killed. Some protesting youths are on ground now, moving around with the cause of those people. It's a painful situation. It's a very painful situation at Amiri and Awa. They are protesting. They are protesting at along Onisha Road, where 18 boys were killed. 18 boys that were killed by Bubago. As you can see, this is a wheelbarrow containing 4 people inside. About 18 wheelbarrows moving around with the corpse. It's a painful situation here. The youths are all over on Ishawere Road, weeping for the parents, weeping for what really happened. It's a painful thing.